Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a new group here, Metric, cool name, with the song All Comes Crashing. So cool title there, very actionist. Actionist? Oh, alright, I don't know. Cool word, actionist, actually. Alright, All Comes Crashing. This one is pretty straightforward. We have 6 different chords to go over, otherwise it's pretty same through the entire song. Let's start. Capo on 3rd fret here, and we have first E minor. So open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be B minor. So a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. This is the A string, so all strings here, 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Next chord will be C. So 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Final 2 chords, A minor first, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. E minor, B minor, C, G, A minor, and D. That's what we need for the song. This starts with an intro. That will be 2 rounds of the following chords: E minor, B minor, C, and G. And that is pretty much what this song consists of. This 4 chords in that order, except for my bridge part later. But E minor, B minor, C, and G, you will be very familiar with these 4 chords here. So for the intro, you play this for 2 rounds. And you have a specific strumming pattern for only these first 2 rounds in the intro. So it will be 5 downs in total. We have E minor as the first chord, so let's look at the strumming with the E minor. It sounds like this: down, 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 down. But when you play it, it sounds a little different, so like this. Alright, so down, down, down. And then you switch, so you're going to play 1 strumming pattern per chord. So 1 E minor, B minor, 1 C, and 1 G. B minor, C, G. That's 1 round, and 2nd round. And that is the 2 rounds you need for the intro, and that's the only part where you're gonna play this strumming pattern. Then starts the first verse, and now we're gonna look at the new strumming pattern that will work pretty much through the entire song. All right, so again, E minor is the first chord, so it will be down, clap, down, clap. That's 1 round. So, down, clap. I played it in 2 different ways, if you notice that. The first clap or rounds, I play with clap on all strings like this. And when you do that, that kills the sound, and that's okay. It's just a matter of taste. And I also play a clap with just a thumb on the E string here in the bass. That will make the other strings ring out a little bit more, because you're just gonna kill the E string. So that's 2 different ways of playing this strumming. So down, clap, clap. Like this, or So that is what's going on in this song for pretty much 95%. All right, so you're gonna play many rounds of this. The first verse will be 4 rounds, then comes a chorus. You're gonna play in the same way for 2 rounds, and then comes a post chorus. You're gonna play the same way for another 2 rounds, and then it continues with second verse, which is played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second chorus. But right after the second chorus, about 2 minutes and 42 seconds into the song, comes a bridge part, and here is where you need the A minor and D. So in the lyrics, when it all comes crashing, all right? So now it starts with A minor, and we need to look at a new strumming pattern for this bridge part, all right? So it will be based upon 3 different downs, and there's pretty important with the timing here to play the right 3 downs and the right time. Okay, so it will be like this. So that is the strumming and the rhythm. So it will be down, down, down. Okay, so down. One strum around will be 3 down, so down, 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 and then you switch. So what I'm gonna do here to teach this, I'm gonna speak meanwhile I'm playing. I think it's that simple. So I'm just gonna tell you the chord and the number times for the strumming pattern, all right? So A minor 1 starts like that, and then I'm just gonna take you through this bridge part. So A minor 1, E minor 1, G2, A minor 1, E minor 1, G1, and D1, A minor 1, E minor 1, G1, another one, A minor 1, E minor 1, G1, and ends with 1 down on D. So that's it. So A minor 1, E minor 1, G2, A minor 1, E minor 1, G1, D1, and then A minor 1, E minor 1, G2, A minor 1, E minor 1, G1, and 1 down on the D. And after this bridge part, you will play the third chorus. The first 2 rounds of the same kind of chords there, the E minor, B minor, C, G, you will play just 1 down per chord. So that is 1 round, and you play it for 2 rounds like this. I'm gonna speed up a little bit like this. All right, so 2 rounds of that. And then after that, you're gonna continue with the same strumming, that down, clap, clap. So that will play till the end of the song, and I believe it will be about 6 rounds after this way of playing just 1 down per chord in the chorus. So you're just gonna do 6 rounds of and so on. And that pretty much covers metrics. All comes crashing someday, perhaps. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I did, actually. A cool song. So thank you for watching. I hope it helped, and if you did, please thumb up, subscribe, why not, and leave a comment. So play tuned.